Right now, commodities sentiment has surged to plus 0.38, a noticeable spike compared to our historical baseline. This uptick, combined with a momentum of minus 0.41, indicates a divergence. While sentiment is leaning positive, there's a clear hint of uncertainty in the momentum. It's worth digging into those 11 semantic clusters that are shaping this shift. They can reveal what's driving this sentiment. When you plug into our API, you'll get sentiment scores, momentum, and a breakdown of those clusters, all in one response. Imagine using this data in your trading algorithms to identify optimal entry or exit points based on sentiment shifts. To explore this further and enhance your strategies, head over to pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of this data together.